Ano ang mga nakakakilabot kong karanasan sa bahay ng mga madre kasama ang aking alagang aso? Marami ang naniniwala na ang mga aso ay mas malakas makaramdam kaysa sa atin. At mas nakakakita sila sa mga hindi nakikita.
So we see a picture of a nun. Do you see something? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Master G. For tonight, I am going to explore this abandoned retreat house. When you say retreat house, it is tonight we're going to explore inside every room. I will not speak in Tagalog or Filipino for tonight. Sorry guys, lalo sa mga subscriber ko, especially to my subscribers and my fellow Filipinos, I will not speak Tagalog for tonight because this is my trip. Every room that we enter, we don't speak anything. We bring this dog. This is Nena. Pakita mo. Some stories about, there are stories that telling that dogs are more capable in finding spirits or to feel or to see. So I decided for the first time to bring a dog. This is Nena, and she is almost 1 year old.
As you can see, the tail of Nena having a sign that she is scared at this time, even before we started.
Don't worry guys, it's not harmful. So here, take care of the dog, and just forgive my English because you know I'm not fluent, but I try my best, but my best doesn't good enough. Char. So let's go. If you're new here in my channel, please click the button like, share, and subscribe. This is the main road in Mindanao. Let's go and we can find some interesting, and I hope you will like this video for the very first time. Ayun ang, that's what I'm saying. Look. I'm getting goosebumps because my dog was working right now. No other here, no other houses over here. But look, Nena is barking right now. Wait lang, kinikilabutan ako. Tago siya sa damo. She was hiding right now in the grass. Go Nena, why? Are you scared? We almost just started at this moment, but our dog looks like this. Nena? What happened to you? Naku, takot siya. We need to go further and continue our exploration. Let's go, Nena. Find some ghost right now. So this is the part of the entrance of the retreat house, guys. So this is the first exploration we need. Oh my gosh. You can see something, Nena? There's no house here, guys. So I think there is someone who is following us. So this is the house. So while my cameraman was recording and I don't, this is the third time that I came here, but oh my gosh, what's that? Oh my gosh, what's that? I feel so strange. I feel so uncomfortable. It's like that. See, kind of. So that. So this is they say that This is one of the room. Nena, come here.
What is that? What is that, guys?
What is that?
Ouch.
The place is so strange. Let me tell you about some stories from my subscribers, new subscribers. Last 8 months ago, nahirapan ako ba? Sumasakit yung dibdib ko. The story was, they heard in the bathroom that taking a bath, a lot of water, but it was 11 in the evening. My head is so heavy. Nena is so scared, but we need to enter. Let's go inside. Nena, don't be afraid, Nena. Fight, Nena, fight. So the story behind this, a lot of madre or nuns was living here before. This is the part of underground. Look. 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 It's kind of strange. I can't believe I can do this anymore. But we need to go in the cemetery. Nena was a little bit afraid. Let me show you something. That was a picture of a nun. Let's go. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Ano ka? Nena. So this time, we're going to let go Nena, and I think she will find a ghost. So this is the tali. Anyway guys, this disclaimer, this is abandoned and I heard some steps. Once we enter, we speak nothing, okay? Nena, maghahanap yan.
You heard it, guys.
So this is the altar. Sa ngalan ni Jesus. Nena, do you see something? Nena, sige, huwag na magsalita. We need to go back outside and the other part of the remaining part of the building or the houses of the nun. So to much better that we will not hold the tali. So yun, may tali sa fish ba yun? Ayaw niyang tumuloy. No. Oh my gosh. Okay. You're going back? Nena, why? What do you see, Nena? Gagi. Exciting pala to, guys. Nakakatakot pala yung first. This is... Nakakatakot pala to, guys. No? Pati yung aso nakatakot. Tapos bumalik siya. Nena? Nena? I'm shaking right now. Nena, let's go. So as you can see now, guys, there's a cabinet here. Or the table. It seems to look like a church. Nena? Nena? Takot na yung bumaba. I feel uncomfortable. Hindi, parang may nakita siya. We need to go back, guys, because Nena was missing. Asan siya? Yan, hawakan mo na para sure. Let's go. Again. Alarap. What time is it? So guys, let me tell you, let me show you. Ay. Hi guys. Where you going? Namoy kabalo na storya dire. Nagba-vlog ba? Vlogger. Oo.
Ano mo gud ang kanang
Tabi. Abandon.
yes, kaning madre po ang
Gani ang sa
swimming pool lang siya.
where's the swimming pool? Where's the swimming pool?
Ay naa sa ubos da abandoned swimming pool na siya dira.
But this is accessible. We can go there.
Wala ko kabalo. Ay dito ang gate jud sa ikaduha.
But this one is abandoned also.
Yes.
Sige, pag Bisaya lang pwede naman natin i-challenge man to sa vlog karon, wala tayong mag-speak og Tagalog, guys. Pwede mag-Bisaya, pwede mag English only. So, what do you heard about some stories? Ano unsay na dungog ninyo na storya dire?
Pagka nag-accident dito
Sige, pag Bisaya lang ako na lang mag-translate.
daw kay
Unsa ba?
sakit pa naman.
Ganahan mo ipakita or dili lang? Ay iba. Okay. So,
Kay Diraan ay nagaparamdam po.
saan banda? Where?
Ay Diraa ka nang Diraa doon ka nang hantad na Diraas ko.
Diring balay na abandon. Kaya pala din siya. Kaya pala kanina nagtahol-tahol ba? Tahol siya.
Diraa na ay gapanitsi. Katong last kay
Unsa?
Sabi na nga eh.
nagapanitsit Diraa.
May nagsisit-sit.
May sit-sit pa.
May narinig ka din.
Ganina.
Hey guys, we're tawag dito. Gikan na kami dito karon.
Ay Diraas.
Pero sa una nag-vlog ko dira it got 500,000 views sa YouTube ba. If familiar mo kay Master Gala, ako 'yon, yung mga vlog, mga menteryo ana, mga
Ay agyanan pala sa Diraas.
mandira. Dili siya dire. Walay harang.
Wala
Nagpapala guro mo dito.
Taga dito lang kayo.
Ah yes, masama.
Sige guys. Bigyan mo ng sticker. Ano ka lang dito? Nandun ka lang. Oo. Shout out ko na lang. Anong pangalan mo?
Hi everyone, my name is Roland Emaldo Jr. Hi to my friends, my angels there. Hi, please subscribe. Master Gala.
Abandon siya for 25 years, tama?
Katong last,
So how old are you now?
17.
Oh, nauna pa yung ano. What kind of stories about aside from that?
ano, daganag na nga ngaybol dira ang nagbangga katong last time na ano yung ulo na bago. O
Pero
namatay siya.
Diyan namatay.
O dira ang kanang pakorbado.
She is telling us that there's an accident there, over there. The head was cracked or damaged, and the victim was dead. So, it's difficult for me to my challenge. So thank you guys, and please don't forget to share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we got 1 million subscribers already. Yeah, and shout out and thank you to this angels. Okay, thank you. Amping. Bye. Oh, plastikan na naman. Sarap. So some people call here madrehan.
Diri siya
So straight lang. Ana pa yung mga bali-bali na abandon.
ay kanangan siya man taas na man siya meron.
So guys, we're trying to explore with the strangers or these people from here, but they say that they can't. Let's try. We got Nena.
Apin sa inyo.
Oh, basta i-PM mo ako sa TikTok, tas chat tayo. Kung sakaling bumalik kami dire, kung hindi namin makita. Pero try din namin kasi nandito na, sayang eh. Thank you kaayo amping mo. Bye. We're going to the secret way here. Gabing-gabi naman. May bahay. Here? Gaganon muna. Ay. Ano mo nga? Tutok mo ilaw. Lakasan mo yung flashlight. OMG! It looks like a church. There's a big statue here. Let's go guys. This is adventure. I never came to this place since I go here. But this is the first time I saw this place. Different part of this abandoned community of the church or for the nuns. So let's go. I think we see a church here. It's a big cross. So this is the swimming pool. Nasa iba pa. Oh my gosh. It looks like different, guys. Look in the paint. New. So this is the pool. Let me see. Oh my gosh. That was a swimming pool. Saan tayo dadaan dyan? Balik tayo dito ng umaga. So guys, I think we need to go back here in Saturday. Mas maganda. I see a house here, guys. Look. Oh my gosh. Casa de Ignacia. OMG. This is the first time I go here. Oh my gosh. So let's see what's inside. So we see a picture of a nun. So we need to blur her identity, guys. Oh my gosh. It's the gut. I think it's a rat. So here, what is it? Different pictures of from a retreat house. Just to go. Oh, it's just like a house, small house here. try to. Look, there's nothing here. Don't be afraid to be afraid. What do you think? It's matibay pa ba? Ano, suko na sa English, Master G? Ginusto mo yan eh. Let's go back. Let's go back. Back. There's a condom in the house of the nun. Oh, Nena was barking. Let's go back. We found a condom. There's a lot of houses here. Guys. There's a lot of houses. What is that? Comfort room? The smell's not good. What kind of smell is that? Baho.
Before we end this video, I will show you something while I am taking cinematic videos. Lately, I noticed this one. Sa part 2 ng video natin ay babalikan natin ito ng araw at ipapakita natin kung ano yung pinakalokasyon niya at yung tunay na dahilan kung bakit talaga ito iniwan o tila napabayaan. Sa sobrang bigat nga ng lugar na ito ay kahit siguro ang mga marites pag dinala mo rito ay matatakot na hindi naman kakapag-chismis.
So guys, thank you for watching the video until the end, but we need to go back for the part 2 in daytime. So to explore more, there is a lot of more abandoned houses there in the whole part of the abandoned building here, so place here. So thank you for watching, for tuning in until the end. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for the support, and DM us for in the link in the screen, and don't forget to like and comment of all your suggestions. Thank you and good night.